So this is a video of security intercepting people and checking their goods and then recovering firearms. As you can see in my screen, they are unboxing these people's bags of beans to to collect the firearms they stored there. There is the illegal transmission of firearms. The real question here is, who are the owner of these firearms and what are they using it for? You get? Who are the owner of these firearms and what are they using it for? Just keep on watching.
What's in it?
This is knife work.
I see.
This is the excellent job. So this is AK for several rifles. This is AK for several rifles. Don't rush.
Guy, raise your head up, this man.
This is the AK-47. This is the AK-47.
What is that knife?
One. So the remaining magazine. See the other magazine.
Yes, very good.
See the other magazine. Give me the knife.
Everything inside.
This is the other magazine.
Tear it and bring it out.
Wow. This is the other magazine.
Yeah, another one you come.
This is the other magazine of the AK-47 rifle.
Bring it up.
This is the magazine. So remain the ammunition now. Remain the ammunition. We will remove the ammunition now. So you can view it, please. You can view it.
So
see another pistol.
Yeah.
This is
the real question is, who are the owner of these firearms? Why I'm showing this video is that in this country today, everybody deserves to own a firearm. Like this man in my screen. Look at what he's saying.
Nigerians, go and get a gun. Forget any purchases or investments you want to make at the moment. Just go and get yourselves a